Suppose x and y are positive numbers such that x plus y equals 2. Find the minimum value of the expression, 1 over x plus 1 over the product of x and y. We will start by introducing a new variable, say j, representing the expression we need to minimize. So, we let j equal 1 over x plus 1 over x times y. To gain some insight, let's consider a specific case where x equals y equals 1. In this case, j equals 2. Now, let's move forward with a more general method to find the actual minimum. Using the condition x plus y equals 2, we can express y as y equals 2 minus x. Substituting this into j, we have Now, to find the minimum value of j, we can differentiate this expression with respect to x. We set the derivative equal to 0 and solve for x. Solving this equation, we find that x equals 3 minus the square root of 3. When x equals 3 minus the square root of 3 and y equals the square root of 3 minus 1, we compute the value of j and find that the minimum value of j is less than 2. We will present the solution using the arithmetic mean geometric mean inequality tomorrow.